Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
Baby car seat safety. Things every parent needs to know. There's a world of necessary information about car seats and car seat safety that you need to know to ensure your little one's safety. Let's brush up on some important facts. Parents, this is what you need to know about baby car seat safety. 1. Check if the car seat is suitable for your baby. When it comes to a baby car seat, note that it's not one size fits all. The best car seat for your baby is the one that is purchased, keeping in mind your child's age, weight, and size. 2. Install it properly. After installation, if your car seat wriggles more than an inch on either side or from front to back, you may not have tightened the belt securely. Figure out the source of the problem, and then put it in the seat correctly. 3. Seek help if you're struggling with the installation. An improperly installed car seat can put your little one's life in danger. So, if you're struggling with the installation process, go ahead and call up a technician and watch closely when they work. 4. Use the latch system, if you'd like. A car seat can be installed either with the vehicle's seat belt or its latch system, lower anchors and tethers for children system. It enables a parent to install the car seat with the help of anchors and without the use of a seat belt. 5. Keep your baby rear-faced. It's safe. A rear-facing car seat reduces the chances of infants and toddlers getting injured in case of an unfortunate accident. Hope this content is helpful for you till now. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such baby health and care related videos. Please continue watching. 6. Use that top tether, it's there for a reason. When transitioning your child from a rear-facing car seat to a forward-facing seat with a harness, use the top tether strap of the seat. It helps prevent the seat from tipping over in case of a crash or accident. 7. Remove those bulky layers before buckling in your baby. Don't strap your child in the car seat when he is wearing a bulky winter coat. Dress your baby in thin layers, or drape a blanket or coat on top of your child to keep him warm. 8. Ensure that the harness is snug. When using a rear-facing car seat, place the harnesses in slots that are at or below your child's shoulders. To check the snug fit of the harness, try pinching it with your thumb and forefinger. If there's any slack in the shoulder harness, you need to tighten it. Car seats can save your child's life, so the earlier you learn about car seat safety and installation, the better. Go through the handbook or manual that comes with the car seat, and it will make your life easier with its installation and usage.